Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anuj and today in the JavaScript tutorial I will discuss about JavaScript condition. So here we have three kind of condition: if, else if and else condition. And the switch condition is the syntactual difference of if, else if and else condition. So in this video I will discuss about if, else if and else condition, and this condition is very important. We cannot write any logical thing in JavaScript without this condition. Okay, so I mean to say, like, maximum time we use this condition. Okay, so now I'll go to the HTML file and I will discuss about these three condition, how we can write and the syntax, and later I will discuss about the switch condition. Okay, so now I'll go to the HTML file. So now here inside this body tag I will create 3-4 div. Okay, just for showing this condition. Okay, div, and just I will copy this div and I will paste it multiple times, suppose 4 times. Okay, 3 and 4. And now in this CSS, just I will write inside this head tag. Okay, this is the head tag, and I hope you know how we write CSS. So here inside this head tag, just I will create one style tag, and for the div, just I will write one with height and one border. Okay, so with like 100 pixel and height also 100 pixel, and now here I will write the border is 2 pixel, solid, and border color, suppose I will write here black color. Okay, like this color. So just to make it visible in the browser, so I am writing this code only. So now I will check in the browser. So here you can see there is the 4D. Okay, and to make it side by side I will write here display inline block. Okay, and here you will notice this div is now side by side. So here there is the 4D. Okay, so suppose I have to add red color for the first div, green color for the second div, blue color for the third, and yellow color for the last div. Okay, so how I can do? I can do it by CSS, right? So I can do either by CSS or else by JavaScript. So suppose here we are showing the JavaScript. So suppose here I have to do it by JavaScript. So then how I can do it? So we have the 4 div. So in JavaScript we can do it many ways. Okay, each I will discuss in this video. So first of all, here you can see I have the div. Okay, so here I will write inside this script, I will write one variable I will take as const keyword, and now the variable name I will write here div element. Okay, so just short form of element, elm I have written. Now here document dot get element by tag name. Why I am writing tag name? Because I will take this tag for the reference of those divs. Okay, they are no class, no id, just I am taking this tag, those are called tags. Okay, div tag. So I will take this div tag for the reference purpose. So here I will write this div. Okay, so now here just if I console dot log and then this variable name div element, so what I will get? I will get this 4 divs. So I will show you. First of all, see here I am getting 4 divs, right? So now how I can add the red color for the first div? There is many ways. So first is I can take the index. So if you notice here, these divs are coming now as an array format, right? Here you can see these are coming as an array format. So the first div is 0 position, this is 1, 2, 3. So if I want to add the background color for the first div, then I will take array index 0, because first div coming in the 0 index. Okay, so here I can write like this div element, then 0, okay, dot style dot background color red. Okay, so let's see first div background color is red. So same way if I want to second div, so second div index position is 1. So just I will copy and I will change the index position 1, and here I will write the color code. Color code can be anything, just for explaining purpose I will show you. So here you can see green color. So this way we can do. So same way for the third div index will be 2, right? Here you can see third div 2 and fourth div 3. So same way you can write like this way. Okay, I hope it is clear. But suppose here is the multiple div. Multiple div means like 1000 of div we have, and with 1000 of div we have to write some color. Okay, so that time we cannot write like this way. This is not possible, right? So we know, so if it is the multiple times we have to write, so that time we write the loop. Okay, so here also we will do the same thing. So I will write the loop. So for let I equals to 0. Okay, I less than this div element, because here I loop this div element, right? So div element dot length and I plus plus, now curly braces. Okay, so now I'll just cut this one. I mean, I will remove this one because that is not required. This is the static, we can say it. If it is multiple div, so we cannot use that kind of thing. Okay, so now here if I console.log and div element I means it will increase the index. Like earlier I was writing 0 1 2 3, so that was static index, right? So now here the index is dynamically will increase one by one because I is looping, right? I will start from 0 and I will go up to length. Length means it will go up to that. So 0 1 2 3, I will go up to 3 position, right? I plus plus. So that is the loop. Okay, so now if I console this one, at this video may be long, but you will understand everything. So here if I go to console, see 4 div is coming here, right? First div, when here in the console I'm hover on the first one, so you can see here the hover effect is coming. Second div, here you can see the third and fourth, right? So each div is coming. So now here I have to write, suppose red color for the first div. So here I can write one if condition. So how I write, see, if I, so I is increasing one by one. So first is 0. 0 means this position, right? So I mean this div. So here I will write if I triple equals to 0. So that time here I write div element I dot style dot background is red. Okay, so now let's see only the first one is red color, because here I have given the condition if I triple equals to 0, so that time only it will add the color. Same way here I will write else if. Okay, else if means another condition. So else if here I will write the condition is I triple equals to 1. Okay, so that time here I will just copy that one and here I will change the color. Okay, so now see here it is adjusting the color. Just here I am writing the position. Okay, so now here else, suppose those 2 div means here I have remaining 2 div, okay, which is blank, but suppose it can be multiple, like it can be 1000 div. Okay, so 1000 div, so that time static index not possible. So here I will write else here just I will copy, means 0 and 1 position, that time I will add those 2 fixed color, but apart from 0 and 1 I will add some another color, so like blue. So remaining divs are blue color. Okay, if you increase the div, suppose if I copy and paste here, I mean if I increase the div length, so you will find here, see, all are blue color will come, because here I have given the condition in the else only 0 and 1 will be red and green, apart from those div will be blue color. Suppose instead of 1, if you want to add 2 position, see, second position div is green color, apart from those blue color. So it is very easy, right? But same thing, suppose you have to do it without condition, so that time you have to write 0 position red color, 1 position blue color, again 2 position green, again 3 blue, like this. So you have to write, but the multiple time 1000 div means 1000 time I have to write the color code. But here you can see not 1000 time, right? Simply I have written one loop and I have given the condition. So this way we can do it, we can achieve it very easily. I hope it is clear. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. You can connect with me in my Insta ID. Insta ID will get in the screen or in my description. or else if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.